কৰিব পৰা নাই মেকআপ যে কৰিছা
হয় নেকি
সঁচা
Yes, successful. Hello lovelies, this is me Priyanka and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a Nykaa haul. So anyways, yeah, today we're gonna do Nykaa. But first, so I'm also gonna do makeup. So because I have to run to work, so इसके कारण मैं makeup को करूँ.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so as मैंने foundation apply कर लिया है अभी मैं videos बनाती हूँ और यहाँ पर काफ़ी disturbance हो जाती है जैसे हमारे neighbors के कुत्तों को लेके आके they go for walk right now at this point of time in the morning and मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ कि कभी और कोई टाइम नहीं मिलता है वीडियो बनाने के लिए. Anyways, so let's open the box. I've ordered 7 things. So one is this Fit Me loose finishing powder. So this is like this is a setting powder. So मैंने कभी setting powder use नहीं करती थी, मैं कभी भी नहीं करती थी. But one of my friend who is a makeup artist, she told me that actually it really helps in settling down your makeup like for long and keeps it for long. So I was like fine, and I have also heard about this, so I was like fine, so let me try this on. So basically it has like this, you open it like this and then there is एक छोटा कुछ cover है यहाँ पर, इसको हम निकाल देते हैं. Okay, so then if I want to, then I can just like this, I guess. Okay, products just came out, so I'm gonna apply them on my face. So थोड़ा सा ब्रश लिया, मैं देखती हूँ उन प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को देखी contour like this. So I'm also gonna do. Okay, now let's apply it on the cheeks. It is giving me a matte kind of finish, so ज़्यादा कुछ shiny नहीं हो रहा है, matte kind of finish है. I'm liking it. It's good only because I have used my friends, so this I would rate 5 because I'm liking it. Next I got this sugar contouring palette. Look at the packaging. So thin. Now we are going to contour. I don't have that many brushes, so I'm just gonna use this brush. Apply. First you need to do the contouring, obviously. So I'm gonna take the contouring, I guess. This is cool. Oh, can you see this? Can you guys see this? Like, इसका pigmentation तो कितना अच्छा है. Ooh, I'm really loving it. I saw Nykaa tutorial do this, you know, like skinny chin, because it gives you definition because हमारा double chin है. We are plus size, so we have double chin, so you should always contour the neck too. So yeah, contouring will be like this. Full लगाए. आई एम सॉरी अगर जो प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं वहाँ पर और जो देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को भी, मतलब देख रहे हैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मेरे को अभी, आई अपोलोजाइज अगर मैं कोई मिस्टेक कर रही हूँ द वे आई एम अप्लाइंग द मेकअप, बट दिस इज़ हाउ आई डू इट और ये मेरे लिए काम कर रहे तो, बट आई विल लर्न. So I'm gonna take this. Next, I'm gonna take this blush. I'm gonna apply. कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया क्या? नहीं? Okay. I don't know what the fuck I'm applying. I'm gonna get to it. Okay. Mirror is the must. That's why I like this kind of mirror. I guess इस साइड ना यहाँ ज़्यादा लग गया है और I'm learning, okay? Don't laugh. What I'm supposed to do, I should apply a foundation, right? Like the inner side of here, because ये बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब हो गया है. I mean, if you have some tricks and like if you can help me out, all the makeup people, expert people, then you can just comment down below and let me know कि कैसे कर मैं क्या गलत कर रही हूँ, because मतलब मैंने कटोरिंग किट फर्स्ट, ये मेरा फर्स्ट कटोरिंग किट है, ओके, शुगर, एंड ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव रेड द रिव्यूज़ एंड ये काफ़ी इसके पिगमेंटेशंस भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट, सो I got it. Bitch got it. I got this liquid highlighter illuminator liquid from Nykaa. By Swiss Beauty. Okay, so packaging ऐसा है. Okay, and यार sorry guys, मैं फ़ोन से शूट करती हूँ तो फोकस नहीं हो रहा है. It's like drops on my hand little bit, थोड़ा सा ले लेती हूँ because it's like too much, but इसके भी रिव्यूज मैंने देखे थे and it was quite good, so bitch got it. So I'm gonna like take this. I'm going for that Korean look जो girls करती हैं, तो so I'm gonna apply थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर. Okay, the next thing I got Maybelline Tatoo eyeliner. Look at the tip. बहुत ही easily apply हो गया है. Yeah, so बहुत ही कम टाइम में हो गया यार ये. I just took this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's waterproof and I really love the bank. Wing. I really love the bank. And I am not a lash person. Like I don't like to put fake lashes on my eyelash. But I thought that इस बार थोड़ा सा मैं शायद देखती हूँ. Let's see. जब मैं अप्लाई मतलब यूज़ करूँगी तो मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊँगी उसके ऊपर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा विद द फेक लैशेस. टेम्पररी वाला, परमानेंट वाला इज़ लाइक $2,000 and is it worth it, like $2,000 for eyelash extension? Well, not for me, but if you are the person, go for it, girl. Go for it, but not for me, or maybe it's for me, I don't know, but I have like reviewed it and I have asked lots of people about it, about the permanent eyelash thingy, and some people said that जो eyelash होती है, मेरी natural eyelash होती है, वही मतलब गिर जाती है, so it's better not to be using it. The last product which I got free with the Sugar contouring palette is this lipstick by Sugar. It's the bright pink, but right now I don't want to use pink. I'm gonna go for a nude lipstick, so ये नहीं, but इसका color बहुत ही प्यारा है and I really love it, and I really love the packaging, the shade and everything. It's quite creamy also. It's good. I don't even use lip liner, so now let's make the hair. Okay guys, so this is the look that came out from using the product that I ordered, and see you guys next week. Bye bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround myself